about people having their own moments and how important that is. How important is that?
Well, Jimmy,
and the other plays and the rest of it.
Thank you for coming. You know, I'm so glad that you could join me.
Nothing else. You could look fine in it, and you could also take some leftovers in it.
Who goes first? Is it pit sue or shit pit?
No, it would either be a pit sue or a shit.
you know, with chips in it. Salt,
like Coke, Pop, 7-Up, Lux.
Okay.
Kim Kardashian. She just smells like weighted.
So it's me, Dr. Phil, and
just the elbow a little. You ready?
Harsh women, ugly women are messable.
Oh, okay.
How do you know she had a dream?
she told me.
He had bad breath, though. I know, God rest his soul, but he had bad breath.
I really enjoy 7-Up.
Night meatball, sweet and sour garlic bread.
Killing it for you, boy. These things are polarities are really contingent on each other. Right? So, if we die, then we live. There's an aspect of us that has to live eternally because there's an aspect of us that's temporal. That's a whole deep philosophical question. Killing it for you.